Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up PySpark 3.5.5 on Fedora Linux 41 or 40 actions. Okay, the installation or the setup process is same on Fedora 41 or 40. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to spark.apache.was, hit enter, then click on documentation, then click on latest release. See here, before installing we have to check the prerequisites. See, Spark runs on Java 8, 11 or 17 and Python version 3.8 plus versions. So first verify these two are installed or not. Open terminal. Verify Java hyphen version. See, you don't have Java, so Control C. Also verify Python 3. See, we have Python latest version. Okay, so Control G to quit. So we have Python but not Java, so install it. So to install, I am going to install latest version of these three versions. So that is 17. Okay, go to new tab, go to oracle.com, hit enter, then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. See here we have the latest versions, but we need older versions like 17. Okay, go to this Java archives, then see here we have the Java 17. Click on it, scroll down. For RHL, Fedora or Alma Linux type operating systems, we have to download this x64 bin RPM file. So click on it. Now it will ask us to log in. See, I have already created account. If you haven't created, just click on create account. It is free. Then provide username or email. Then provide the password of your account. We have successfully logged in. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 174 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the JDK RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo RPM -ivh JDK, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed Java JDK 17. Wait a moment, or you can open new tab, Java version. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. Okay, this will take time. Now go to this Spark page. So both prerequisites are installed. Now click on downloading page or go to this home directory, that is Spark home page. Then click on download. Then select the version. See, the latest stable release is 3.5.5. Then click on this download Spark 3.5.5 bin zip file. Click on it. Then click on the first link. See, download started and its size is 382 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Again, I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Also come to here. See, installation is completed. Again verify Java version. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. ls, this file is not required anymore, so remove this file, that is Java JDK file. rm JDK, give the tab, hit enter. So we have cleared the space. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to the terminal, ls. See here we have the Spark 3.5.5 zip file. We have to unzip file r-xvf. Then give the Spark, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, extracting. Extraction is completed. ls. See here we have the Spark 3.5.5 folder, extracted folder. Control A. Now copy the contents of this file to cp-r. Give the directory name Spark, give the tab, /, then /opt /spark. Hit enter. See, permission denied. We must give sudo. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. It is done. Now go to /opt directory. ls. See here we have the Spark directory. Even if you go to the Spark directory file, see here we have the files and folders of the Spark. cd go up. Now we have to set the environment variable for Spark. Sudo vi tilde symbol /.bash/rc. Hit enter. Go to the bottom of this file. Shift A. Hit enter. Export spark_home equals to /opt spark. Hit enter. Path equals to $path: $spark_home /small bin. Hit enter. Save the file. Escape: wq exclamation. Hit enter. Now source it. Source /.bash/rc. Hit enter. It is done. Everything we have configured. Control L. Now run spark-shell. Hit enter. See, we are connecting to Spark. See, we have the Spark session as Spark. Okay, and see here the version of 3.5.5. okay, and this is a Scala shell. You want to connect through web UI, just copy this link or give the IP of the machine. Copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, we got this Spark shell. If you go to environment, see, we have this Spark shell. And also see here in jobs it is empty, even stages also, because we haven't performed any actions. Okay, in the same way, if you want to connect PySpark, Control D to quit, Control A. Now give PySpark. Hit enter. See, now we got the Python, and it is the Python shell. See, this is the Python shell. Okay, and see the version of the Spark is 3.5.5. Also connect to web UI by copying this one. Copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See here we have connected to PySpark shell, and here go to environment. See, this is the PySpark shell. Here also jobs and stages are empty. Okay, now we will create a data frame and we will see the stages and jobs information. Go back, click on examples, scroll down. Let me create this data frame, copy it, go to the PySpark shell, paste it, hit enter. Now run df.show. See, we have the data frame. We go to this PySpark. If you refresh, see here we have two jobs. Go to stages. See, we have two stages. Okay, and see here, you notice here we got the scalar data frame. See, we have the one ID. Okay, so we have successfully set up or installed PySpark on Fedora 40R41. Control G to quit. Now go to home directory, cd tilde symbol, cd downloads, ls. These files are not required. So rm give spark dot ls. We have one more directory. Remove this one also. rm-rf spark. Hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to set up or install PySpark 3.5.5 on Fedora Linux. But the process is same on Fedora 40R41. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.